Welcome back everyone. This is Madhvi Prajapati. Today we see the exciting topic of network topology, that is ring topology. Now let's start with it. In this video, we will learn what is ring topology, what are the advantages and disadvantages, how actually the ring topology works, application, and some of the questions. Let's understand by one example. I think you all played one game in your childhood, that is passing the ball. In that game, music is played in the background and the ball is passed to the next person. This passing is continued till the music stops. When music stops, the person who has the ball have to do some task. After completing that task, the ball is passed to the next person, and this process continues. Now see how ring topology works. In a ring topology, every device has a dedicated point-to-point connection with only two devices on either side of it. Flow of the message is in one direction only. Token is continuously circulating in a network in one direction. When any device wants to send the data to any other device, it takes the token and sends the data to the next device. If destination address is not matched, then data is passed to the next one till the destination address match. Then target device accept the data and send the acknowledgement to the sender. Repeater is required in a ring topology to send the data to next device, as shown in figure. When a device receives a signal intended for another device, its repeater regenerates the bits and passes them along. Let's figure out advantage of ring topology. As it requires only cables linked to only its immediate neighbors, it is easy to install. Data sent only in one direction, so there is less chance of collision. All devices have equal access. As connected in a ring topology, it is easy to troubleshoot. Means, if one device does not receive a signal within a specified period, it can issue an alert. There is less cabling. Now see what are the drawbacks of it. Unidirectional traffic can be a disadvantage. A break in the ring can disable the entire network. As unidirectional traffic and one device sent at a time, it is slower than a star topology. Adding and removing the device can disturb the network. Because of those drawbacks, physical ring topology is rarely used. Logical ring topology is implemented, in which physical star is connected and logical ring is implemented. All devices connected by hub as a star, but data is sent like a ring topology. When sender want to send the data, it catch the token and keep it. Then send the data to the hub. Hub send the data to all devices in a circular, and target can receive that data. After receiving the data, token is released and sent again in a network and sent to the next device. Ring topology is appropriate in following situation: when the network must operate reasonably under a heavy load, when a higher speed network is required, when the network will not be frequently reconfigured. I think all of you are now able to answer the following questions. Answer. Describe the network topology. How does a network topology affect your decision in setting up a network? Describe star topology. What is the disadvantage of star topology? What are some drawbacks of implementing a ring topology? What is one advantage of mesh topology? Suppose that there are 4 routers. How many connections do we need to connect these routers in fully meshed topology? How does ring topology work? A loose terminator gets separated from coaxial cable and making it open at one end in bus topology. Will this network work as expected? Name the different types of network topology and brief their advantages. If you are not able to answer those questions, you can watch my videos, ring topology, and other previous videos about the bus, star, and mesh topology. That's done for today's session. Hope all of you understand it well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. We will meet soon with another interesting topic. If you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, then subscribe it. You can also follow us on Instagram. For any query, you can write us an email. Our mail ID is available in the description. Stay tuned. Thank you.